Okay, yogis, here we go. 3 rounds, version 1 or version 2. Version 1, obviously we drop our knees when we are doing our chaturanga, and version 2, just keep the knees elevated. I'm going to do version 2. Okay, let's get into it. Start in high plank. Drive the body forwards through chaturanga. Make sure that the shoulders are in line with the elbow. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out. Forwards we come. Cat cow. High plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Coming into our shoulder bridge. Let's hold it for 5 seconds. Interlace the fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pendant lift. 3. Drive the body forwards. 2, 1. Through to our chaturanga. Drive the body forwards. Through into up dog. Return. Through to our high plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive back. Through our down dog. Breathe in left leg. Breathe out. Left foot next to left thumb. Breathe in. Breathe out. Change sides, driving forwards. Breathe in. Breathe out. And repeat. Forwards we come. Basic vinyasa through chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, downward dog. Forwards we come. Cat cow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. High plank hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock the knees. Cross the feet over the back. Coming into our shoulder bridge. Up we come. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Pendant lift. 3, 2, 1. Prep for our chaturanga. High plank. Plenty of shoulder protraction and posterior pelvic tilt. Chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Return to high plank through a core lift. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Through to our down dog. Left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop. Posterior pelvic tilt. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Drive it forwards. Change legs. Posterior pelvic tilt, don't forget. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Final round. Drive it forwards. High plank. Drive it forwards. Chaturanga. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, downward dog. Drive it forwards. Cat cow. Another one. Into our high plank. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees to the floor, cross the feet, come to our shoulder bridge. Interlace the fingers. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our pendant lift. 3. Not too much pressure through the ankles. 2, 1. Chaturanga. Through our high plank first. Up dog. Return to our high plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. Posterior pelvic tilt and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Half split. Same again. And again. Left right leg. Crescent lunge. Posterior pelvic tilt. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our half split. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank. Drop the knees to the floor, cross the feet over the back. To rest. And there we have it. Sorry about the noise. A lot of construction going on today. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. There's going to be more of this flow, vinyasa flow, coming in the near future. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you practice it and find it of value. Thank you very much. All the love and all the gratitude to every one of you. Namaste.